Yeah. Oh, that's fire.
Wait, is that Kabuki?
What are you? Baller.
Yeah. Mine do that too, bro. Rich millionaire. Rich millionaire.
Baller.
Baller, bro.
Oh, shit looks hard. Waiting for seeing me to go. What's up, guys? Right now we're going to a car meet. We got 3 of the homies behind us, and yeah, we're pulling up right now.
And 2 of the shorties.
We're pulling up right now, so we'll see what the vibes are.
7:35.
That's insane, bro. 7:35 is actually nuts. Gotta work on real quick. Huh?
Well, look, I have it fucking. You pulled up with everything.
Standing next to you, bro. You're tall as fuck.
My back on the other side.
Oh, Saul. So my boy, long time no see, like
I
what,
know, bro.
20 hours?
Something like that. Everyone outside say hi.
Yes, sir. Pulled up deep. Damn, these look like my old KS specs. I need to get some new ones, bro. Triple chrome now. What the f happened to Jonah's trunk, bro? Someone like stabbed that shit. Oh, that shit. That's just hard.
Dude, literally, bro. No, we literally are the pet members of our Marshall's right.
Damn, there's 3 chasers here. It's crazy. Here's another one, and then Kobe's over there. Oh, that shit's fire. No, that shit's hard. It makes me miss my pearl white.
I know, I want to paint it black here again soon.
You saw Sean at Best Tire today?
Yeah.
You see the Superstar flag?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, oh shit.
No, that shit's hard, bro.
Thank you.
Luis is here in spirit.
Luis is here.
Sean's roof looks crazy, bro. Paint, not wrap.
Where?
In front of all of us.
In front?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
He's gonna get you. He's not turning. That's the slowest turn of all time. Hey! Oh no, why are they running the red?
That's burnt. No, that's fine. But low-key real.
Oh my god.
I don't want to run the red.
Don't do it, baby. This is the furnace spot ever. Who is it, Sean? Hey!
Dude, so burnt.
Fucking calm right there, bro.
Dude.
Fucking shitty.
Shit.
Hell no.
Dang.
I was the one next to it too. I was like, why the
Bro, and then everyone went in front of me, and I was the one to get pulled over. I was like,
Hell no.
Did you see them all run the red?
dude, that's so burnt.
Burn in the lights. Someone was turning and then
Dude, that shit was so burnt. I just hope bro doesn't sneak up on us right now. That shit was fried.
I thought you were turning right. Oh,
Angle.
we're in the left-hand turn.
You can see the car back there. Oh, bro, that shit was so burnt. You see that cop? Nah, that shit was so burnt, bro.
No, you're butt. You didn't see the car?
Bro, he's in front of all of us, and then he was just turning in the left lane. I was like, about to get behind me, because I was the last one, bro.
Yeah. That's why I kind of didn't mind me first. Like, hey, he can get behind me, guys.
Bro, hella deep. And like the most burnt place ever, fool. Which one are you picking out of this whole lineup? Lineup's crazy right now. No, lineup's crazy right now, bro.
I could fit my whole ass fucking. I could probably put
Y'all don't follow the superstar?
On God,
What the fuck y'all
you ain't
doing?
tapped in. Oh, sorry. Damn, that bitch just ran into me, cuz. Just finished our yard. Oh, shit. Damn. But yeah, just finished our yard house. We're low-key hella deep in State Ref City. But yeah, pretty chill night. Got some good eats. Hung out with the homies. Just about them all back home right now. Dude, that shit's loud as bro. Chill. Hopefully we ain't see that cop who saw us on the way up here.
They get hit by us.
Should brought a jacket.
Should've brought Superstar hoodie. Bitch. Bro, hella white cars, bro. These cars are literally twins, bro.
I was like, bro, I'm
Yo, show my mom watches the vlogs, bro. Time like I like.
Shit about this circulator. It's time for the circulator. outside right now. Hopefully all the homies don't get pulled over.
Niggas tried to use their feet, I guess they ran up out of luck.